Today's program is computing grades using functions. The program begins here, wherein user is asked to enter name, roll number, and marks of 5 subjects. Here, it is checked whether any of the entered marks is negative. If yes, then program quits. If no, then addition of all 5 marks is done and stored in a total variable. An average is calculated, and then student name, roll number, and total marks are printed on the monitor, followed by checking of whether a student has obtained less than 50 marks in any subject. If yes, then the grade is F and the program quits. If no, then this function has been defined called compute grades, which is invoked. In this function, you will find the logic for computing the grades based on the average. Let us execute this. When you execute this program, name is entered, roll number, and next marks of 5 subjects have to be entered by the user, and the program displays student name, roll number, total marks, and grade. That's it for today.